Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon, which currently sees here a correction, a bit of a pullback, well, a bit more than just a pullback. Polygon is suffering actually. Well, it's not really MATIC anymore. Did I say MATIC? That's Polygon. And it's following the move to the downside at the moment here. I did have it previously as blue scenario. I've highlighted this now in yellow. It's just easier to read. Again, shouldn't be a surprise really what we're seeing here. The structure was just corrective throughout to the upside, okay? Talk to you about 3 waves up here, possible 5-wave move down here, another 3-wave move up here, possible 5 down even, 3 waves up here. So it's just following through to the downside. I did highlight that, yeah, I mean, a wider wave B is possible. At the moment, it looks more as if the B wave already topped here, which I thought a wider B or a larger B would look better, just because this B is so weak. It didn't even reach the 38.2 retracement well, which might indicate just, well, which might reinforce just the weakness on this in this pattern here, yeah. But if wave B already topped, then this was a wave 1 to the downside in yellow, this swing low that formed on the 18th of September. We had a wave 2 corrective rally, and we're now following through in a 3rd wave. I find that highly likely. If this really is a 3rd wave down, then we know that it should reach at least the 1.38 fib extension in the 3rd wave. So I'd like to see the price get to 34 cents next minimally, and then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5, but it should probably go a little bit lower than 34 cents. Just to, let's say, keep the overall proportions. For example, it could easily reach the 1.786 or 200% extension. The reason is that the C wave would usually reach the 100% extension of the A wave, so it's just a different way of measuring. I'm not sure how reliable this measurement is because of this wick to the upside, but it might eventually take us down to sort of 21 cents. And then we need some kind of an extended 3rd wave or something here to actually get there. Yeah. So this is how I'm tracking at the moment this chart. Surely, I mean, could this white count, does it still have a chance? I mean, yeah, I mean, there are plenty of options that we could still explore. For example, it's even possible that this here is like a wider ABC flat correction. Cryptos love to do this, especially because we haven't really broken these previous swing lows. But, this is at the moment just the potential. It would require a 1-2 setup to the upside, like a 5-wave move up in a wave 1 to indicate that wave C has started. So without that 1-2 setup in white, there's literally nothing that would tell me that we go up a little higher. It would look better overall, but with the geopolitical fears and the extensions to the downside that we've seen on some charts, I will not rule out that we are already in the yellow count. Essentially, it means that I'm looking for lower because we only have seen 3 waves up across the board. And the move down looks somewhat impulsive. And I'm looking for lower until I see a first 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback as shown in white, which would tell us that the market is trying to reverse. That's, I think, very simple. And until the market gives me that 1-2 setup to the upside, the yellow wave count is valid. It's valid as long as we stay below 44 cents. And this is also why I'm tracking this sort of pattern here to the downside, yeah? Because, with a series of 3-wave corrective patterns, there's just nothing immediately bullish here. So that's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.